Harley-Davidson's hit a home run.
This is a big, big difference.
It's just amazing.
Magic in a bottle. Incredible.
It's going to blow their mind.
Everybody needs to get on this frickin' bike and ride it.
It's unbelievable.
I mean, you can do anything you want with this bike.
The power is just unbelievable. Blown away, absolutely blown away.
Well, how was
Wow.
If you're allowed to say holy shit, this is awesome.
I felt what it's all about.
it? It's the total package. Holy shit. The best Harley I ever rode in my life.